Hello guys, good evening. Magluluto pala ako ng dinner namin ngayon. Simple lang, sloppy joe sandwich. So ito lang yung ingredients natin. Ground beef and hamburger. Burger bun. Unahin natin to. Then, ayan. Ganyan-ganyan lang natin guys. Continue ganyan. And once it's brown, remove the excess fat. See, there's a lot of excess fat. So remove that one. Alright, drain na natin. Then put it back sa kawali. Just simple, huh? You have dinner now. Yeah. Simple and easy. That's all guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.